Hi, hello. This is Rajeshwar. I am a cuber and I am studying in the 7th grade. In this video, we will see another two patterns. My last video on patterns got a good welcome among you. Thank you for that. In this video, we will see a tutorial on the cube in a cube pattern and the Tetris pattern. Before we see the patterns, you should know some names of the turns in the 3 into 3 Rubik's cube. Now let's see the turns. Each and every side in the Rubik's cube can be turned in two ways. One is the clockwise, another is the anti-clockwise. Now let's see. If you turn the front side clockwise, it is known as the front. If you turn the front side anti-clockwise, it's known as the front prime. If you turn the right side clockwise, it's known as the right, and if you turn the right side anti-clockwise, it's known as the right prime. Left side clockwise, left side anti-clockwise, left prime. Up clockwise, up anti-clockwise, up prime. Down clockwise, down anti-clockwise, down prime. Back clockwise, back and back anti-clockwise is back prime. First, we'll see cube in a cube pattern. The cube in a cube pattern consists of 6 sets and one set consists 2 or 3 moves to be done. Now let's see the labels for the turns. F means front, R means right, L means left, U means up, D means down, and B means back. And if any apostrophe symbol adds to any turn name, it is mean that it's prime or the anti-clockwise turn. If the number 2 adds with any name, it means that it should be turned 2 times. Now let us see the first set. F, L, and again F. The second set, U prime, R, and U. Third set, F 2 times, L prime 2 times. Fourth set, U prime and L prime. Fifth set, back, down prime, back prime. Sixth set, L prime 2 times and U. So now we have completed half of the cube in a cube pattern. You can see like this, and also the opposite side you can see the cube in a cube like this. So let's complete the another half. The another half contains 2 sets and one set contains 9 moves. Now let's change this corner piece and the opposite corner piece in the cube in this half pattern. Let's go. B 2 times, R prime, D, R, D prime, R prime, D, R, and U. This is the first set, and the second set is R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, U prime, and at last B 2 times. So now we are completed with our pattern, and you can see a cube inside another cube and followed by another cube. This pattern cannot be recovered or returned, so you should solve this pattern to recover it. So our last and the second pattern is the Tetris pattern. we can also return the Tetris pattern. Now we'll see the tutorial to do the Tetris pattern. First, hold your cube and do L, R, F and B, U prime, D prime, L prime and at last R prime. So we have completed the Tetris pattern. Now we can return this pattern. To return this pattern, we should keep the center piece color which we started to do. So I started the white color piece first to do this pattern. So I should recover it with the same color. Left L piece should be facing you and it should be vertical. It can be like this or like this, that doesn't matter, but this L should be vertical. Now let's start. R, L, D, U, B prime, F prime, R prime and at last L prime. So now we have completed recovering this. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and share this to your friends. Subscribe our channel and click the bell button so that you won't miss our new video. Thank you.